Luxury isn't always about a price tag. It's about finding something that uniquely reflects who you are. With that in mind, here are my favorite distinctive luxury homes in Nashville right now. Number 1, Kenny Henderson's listing at 107 Abbotsford in Nashville. Reminiscent of a French chateau, yet nestled conveniently in Green Hills, the carefully curated aesthetic features a checkerboard entry, striking wall treatments, and a glass tube elevator. It's a space where elegance and bold design blend seamlessly. Number 2, Charlie Neese's listing at 711 Hill Road in Brentwood. Amidst a busy commercial district and subdivision-style homes, discover this 1935 log cabin set discreetly on 3.5 wooded acres. With a winding country driveway and a year-round creek, it offers a tranquil escape that captures the spirit of a secluded retreat. Number 3, Loy Hardcastle's listing at 115 Lewisburg Avenue in Franklin. Just steps away from Franklin's historic downtown lies this Victorian beauty, built in 1872. The intricate exterior trim, timeless interior, and park-like surroundings evoke the charm of Franklin's quaint origins. These homes represent the stories, aesthetics, and experiences that make luxury truly personal. Let us find you a place that not only houses your life, but also embodies your style and passions.